Hello everyone, my name is Ritu Sharma. I am the founder and CEO of the Digital Gyan. So this video is to understand what is digital marketing, what is the scope of digital marketing and who all can do digital marketing. So let's get started. So, digital marketing is actually a process to promote your product, services, and brand on online platforms. You can also promote your personal social media profiles, YouTube channels, LinkedIn profiles as well in digital marketing. So, digital marketing includes a lot of different platforms. This could be Google Ads, search engine optimization, it could be Facebook ads, Instagram ads, it could be LinkedIn advertising, affiliate advertising, and much more. So there are different platforms which includes digital marketing in it. So moving on to the next part of this video, who all can do digital marketing. So digital marketing is firstly for the students who are graduate or looking for a job and wants to learn digital marketing and want to start their career in digital marketing. So definitely digital marketing course is something very important for them. Now it is also for the working professional people who are already in jobs. They are looking for better salaries, they are looking for better profiles. They can learn digital marketing and definitely leverage a new profile. For example, let's say I'm a person and I know how to do SEO, search engine optimization, but I want to also learn Google Ads, I want to also learn social media advertising. So I can learn these things and upskill myself to increase my salary. Now another segment who all can do this is the career switcher. So people who are into a certain career, if they are into sales, there are teachers who want to change their profiles, want to change their role, what they have, they want to switch their career now. So they can definitely learn digital marketing and start their career in it. Also the housewives who are actually people left their jobs because of their children, took a break, or even the housewives who are doing full time household work since from the beginning. So they can definitely learn digital marketing, start their career in digital marketing, and they can start from home itself, because digital marketing also allows you to be a freelancer and do the remote jobs as well, which you can do by home. Business owners, so business owners who are actually into any kind of business, maybe lead generation, e-commerce, or any business, B2B business as well. So they can learn digital marketing and they can promote themselves on digital media platform. Also people who want to become freelancers of digital marketing, want to provide the services of digital marketing to other agencies or other brands, they can learn digital marketing and initiate their career in digital marketing. Now the next part of this question is, what is the minimum requirement to do a digital marketing course? So guys, trust me, there is no requirement in terms of degree. You really need not to have any certain specific degree for it, like it can't be an MBA, BBA, BCA, BTech, nothing. So you doesn't require anything to pursue a course of digital marketing. You could be simply 12th pass and with a basic knowledge of computer, you can do it. Even if you don't have a basic knowledge of computer, you can learn digital marketing and that will be covered in it. So there is no requirement of degrees in digital marketing course. Moving on to the next section of this discussion, people also ask us what are the benefits to learn digital marketing. So there are ample of benefits in digital marketing. I tell you one by one. So firstly, the people who are actually like I mentioned, so digital marketing is a field, it's a field without degree. You don't need any professional degree. So the benefit is you could have any degree and pursue digital marketing. Another is the remote job. So the trend of remote job, as we all know, has been increasing rapidly, and digital marketing is one field wherein you have a lot of opportunity of remote jobs. So this is the opportunity and benefit you'll have after doing a digital marketing course. Now, about the pay scale. So, the pay scales of digital marketing are very increasing day by day. So, the salary starts from as basic as 20,000, 25,000, and it goes up to lakhs. It depends upon your knowledge, the skills you have. You can have much high salaries in digital marketing. You can also start your own company, your own brand, and promote it yourself because you know digital marketing. And since we all know, after corona there is a trend that all the traditional businesses are shifting online. So as soon as they'll shift online, the online jobs will also be there in the requirement, right? So there is a potential market. The jobs are rapidly increasing for digital marketing, and it is across the globe. It is not just in India. Across the globe, the jobs related to digital marketing are increasing. So this is the entire picture of digital marketing. What is digital marketing? Benefits of digital marketing. Who all can do different, segment who are there to do digital marketing. So this is it. So if you like this video, please subscribe our channel, The Digital Gyan, and follow us for more such videos. Thank you.